For your eyes only can see me through the night. For your eyes only I never need to hide. You can see so much in me, so much as me that's you. Never felt until I looked at you. For your eyes only, only for you. You see what no one else can see. Now I'm breaking free for your eyes only, only for you. The love I know you need in me, the fantasy that's leading me, only for you, only for you. Well, hi there, pluckers. Ivor Sawfingers back with you again for hopefully another bit of interesting fun for you. Another classic song from a James Bond film, of course. This one's done by Sheena Easton and the song's called For Your Eyes Only. I'm in standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the original key, which is the key of G. Okay. So please excuse the singing, it's just for reference only, okay? Now what you heard there was basically half the song. It just repeats everything again with different words, okay? So I didn't want to bore you to death with my singing, so it just does another verse and another chorus, okay? So we're starting off with the intro, okay? So what I'm doing is I'm playing a 4-fingered G, okay? Open G chord sort of thing, open type chord, standard G, but I'm doubling up on the top 2 strings on the 3rd fret. Okay, nice deliberate strum down, pause, then we do this, and that's like, it does two quick ones. Alright, dun 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 dun. It's just like For Your Eyes Only, okay? For your eyes only. And that's on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string and the open G. For your eyes only, okay? Bit of a pause and then you do this. That's the top string, toppy string, 10th fret, and the 8th fret of the 2nd string, the B string. Okay, and it's just like 1 2 1 2. Okay, so far we got this. And we just repeat that, yeah, so it's okay, got that. Then we're going into the song. For your eyes, G. Again, I'm playing the 4-fingered variety. You don't have to, you could play a simple G if you like it to, but it sounds better I think with the two on the 3rd fret there. But your eyes only to see me through the night. So that's a G to a C with G in the bass. So it's a C chord, but with this 3rd finger up to the bottom E string, 3rd fret, and the pinky taking over on the 3rd fret of the 5th string there, the A string, okay? So all 6 strings, nice deep chord, yeah? So it's for your eyes only can see me through the night. And what I do is I'll fill in there. So when you come to night, strum down on the G, and you do that again on the B string and the G string, okay? B string, 3rd fret, open G. Okay, so it's for your eyes only can see me through the night. That sort of thing, yeah? And then you repeat the G, alright? For your eyes only, I never need to hide. I play an A minor 7th there. Other people may play a C. I think it sounds better with an A minor 7. Okay, so it's a simple A minor chord, but leave the 3rd finger off. Open 3rd string. second on the fourth, first on the second. 5 downwards. Okay? So that's from the beginning of the verse, so G. But your eyes only can see me through the night. For your eyes only, I never need to hide. Now, some nice chords coming up now. It's a C major 7th. That's just basically a standard C chord with your first finger off, 5 downwards. You can see so much in me. That's a B minor 7. So barring the 2nd fret from, I'm not playing the bottom E string, okay? Top 5 strings, bar with the first finger, 2nd fret, 5 downwards, okay? Then the 2nd finger is playing the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, the B string, and your 3rd finger is playing the 4th fret of the D string, the 4th string, 5 downwards. So you've got C major 7. You can see so B minor 7th, such in me. Stay on the B minor 7th. So much is me that's new. To a very simple E minor. I'm just using the single first finger on that 2nd fret of the 4th string, and I'm just going 4 downwards. Just the top 4 strings. Don't play the 5th string or the 6th string. Okay? You'll see why in a minute. Okay? So let's just get that far then. From the beginning of the verse. For your eyes only can see me through the night. For your eyes only, I never need to hide. You can see so much in me, so much of me is new. Okay, so that's what we've got. Let me do this a little bit. So that's why I'm using the E minor like that. Okay, so that's keeping the first finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th string. You add your 2nd finger to the 2nd fret of the top E string, and your 3rd finger to the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. Okay, right. 2nd on the 4th, 2nd on the top E, 3rd fret of the 2nd string, the B string. Open 3rd string. So 4 downwards again. Should sound like that. Then what you do is you add your pinky to the top E string 3rd fret for 2 strums, like, and then take the pinky away and play that one, the first one again. Okay? Right, so far. For your eyes only, right. For your eyes only can see me through the night. For your eyes only, I never need to hide. You can see so much in me, so much in me that you. C major 7th again. Never felt until I looked at you. Now this one is it's like an A minor. Well, it's an A minor with D in the bass, basically. Okay, so first finger's playing the 1st fret of the 2nd string. 2nd finger's playing the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, the G string, and my pinky. You can use your 3rd finger. I think pinky's easier. Top string 3rd fret. And the 4th string's open, okay? So you can play 5 downwards. It's A minor with D in the bass. A minor over D, okay? Okay, so once again from the beginning, let's go all the way from the beginning this time. Okay, we'll do the intro as well. Okay, so here we go. For your eyes only can see me through the night. For your eyes only, I never need to hide. You can see so much in me, so much in me as you. Never felt that I looked at you. Okay, there's two bars of that A minor, so A minor with D in the bass. Okay, so it's never felt I looked at you. For your eyes. Let me go into the chorus. Okay, you got that? Now the chorus is basically the way I play it. Again, some people may slightly different. I play a C major 7th again. That's that C with the first finger off. Okay, so it goes. For your eyes only. Now, the next one is a G major 7. Okay, one of those diagonal chords that I love. Like 2nd fret, top E string, first finger. 2nd string, 3rd fret, 2nd finger. 3rd string, 4th fret, 3rd finger, and finally the 4th string, 5th fret, pinky. 4 downwards, don't play the 5th string or the 6th string. Just those top 4 strings. Okay, so it goes for your eyes only, C major 7th. Only for you to an E minor. So that's a quick change, G major 7th to E minor. So it's from the end of the verse. For your eyes only for you. Okay, then we play an A minor 7th. That's an A minor with the 3rd finger off, open 3rd string. You can see what no one else can see. And then we do that A minor with D in the bass again. 1st fret, 2nd string, 2nd fret, 3rd string, and the pinky, top string, 3rd fret, open 4th, open 5th. Okay, so let's go from the beginning of the coming into the chorus. For your eyes only for you. You see what no one else can see. Now I'm breaking free for your eyes. Back to the C major 7th again. Only, and the G major 7th to E minor. Only for you. Now this is what a bit changes. Love, I know you need in time. So that's a normal C chord. The love I know, A minor 7th, need in time. Now an E minor, so a G, what's it? It's a G or an E minor with B in the bass, really. I like to call it E minor 7th with G and B in the bass. So it's 2nd on the 5th string and 3rd fret on the 2nd string. Just those two, 5 downwards. The note you want to hear is that. Don't bother with the bottom E on this one. Just the start on the 5th string, because that's the note you want to hear. Okay, so it's love I know you need in me, the fantasy. Okay, and then we play an E minor. Some people will call that G with B in the bass. So yeah, it could be called that as well. G with B in the bass, and then we go to an E minor 7. That's a sort of 2nd fret, only the 2nd fret on the 5th string. All the other strings are open. E minor 7. So that's C, A minor 7th. This G would be in the bass if you like. And then just take that 3rd finger away and you've got E minor 7th. And then we play that A minor 7th with D in the bass again. Okay, so it's love I know you need in, sorry, love I know you need in me, fantasy you freed in me, only for you, break, and then you go only for you, and then we go back to that G chord again. Okay, the way I did it anyway. So let's just go through that whole chorus. Okay, so coming out of the verse. For your eyes only what I do on this is the outro. When you've come out of that only for you, only for you, only for you. Basically, it starts the next verse, okay, and then it does another chorus. And the outro is this bit I'm just about to do now, where it comes out of only for you, only for you. That's basically a G chord, 4-finger G, and the third fret of the second string, open third, back to the third fret of the second, first fret on the second, right, where is it? Open second. That's okay, so it's and the second time round is the same apart from the chord on the end. Slow it. Play a G on the end. That finishes the song. Okay, so we'll just go through the whole thing that I'm trying to teach you, and then he just basically repeats everything again, different words. Okay, right from the beginning. Okay, so here we go. For your eyes only can see me through the night. For your eyes only I never need to hide. You can see so much in me, so much in me is you. I never felt it till I looked at you. For your eyes only for you. You see what no one else can see. Now I'm breaking free for your eyes only for you. The love I know you need in me, fantasy free me, only for you. Something like that, boys and girls. Hope you enjoyed that, and have fun with it. Bye for now.